Hello! Today we will talk about how ISO 20022 ensures flexibility, interoperability, and ease of integration across diverse financial systems, making transactions faster, more secure, and globally standardized. Each information system involves multiple stakeholders, each with unique perspectives, priorities, and questions about the project requirements. ISO 20022 is a comprehensive and widely adopted standard that supports financial messaging across various domains and countries. It is designed with a structured approach based on distinct layers of abstraction. Understanding all three layers is essential for effectively implementing this standard and finding optimal solutions. The three layers of abstraction in ISO 20022 are: the top layer. It provides the key business processes and concepts. We will call it the business layer. The middle layer. It provides logical data models and flows. We will call it the logical layer. And the bottom layer. It deals with syntax. We will call it the syntax layer. Technology operators are focused on customer value, use cases, and business processes. Typical questions they have are: who is involved in that particular scenario and what are their roles and responsibilities? What kind of information do we need from each participant? What are the key concepts in this subdomain and how do they relate to each other? Business layer. ISO 20022 provides really useful business descriptions in diagrams, in a special business components notation for 21 areas of finance in their repository. As you see, the standard covers a wide range of fields, including ATM management, forex trading, securities settlement, and more. You can have a closer look at the business domains and their details on the ISO website in the Business Domains section. Each of the domain sections includes a domain description. Here is an example of the payment domain. These diagrams use their own notation, however, it is quite close to the UML class diagrams with just a few differences. The principal concepts will be covered in the following episodes. The logical layer. The logical level describes all the information needed to perform a specific business activity, independent of syntax. It is composed of data components organized in a hierarchical structure. A component contains one or more elements and is derived from a business component by using one or some elements. This structure was developed to enable ISO 20022 to reuse business and message components across all messages and APIs resources. For example, on this high-level schema, we see that both payment initiation messages and payment clearing and settlement messages use the same component party identification. The same component is used by many other message types. The logical level, commonly represented by software source code. It is a step away from the business understanding of a system, but still is not a machine on a readable pile of bytes and can be read by a human. For this layer, ISO 20022 provides XML schema definitions of various financial messages, which can be used with any modern programming language to adopt the standard in the system. Once a logical model has been decided, one can switch to implementation. The third layer, the syntax layer, is a physical representation of the logical model. In order to build the physical implementation of a system, it is necessary to figure out a lot of technical details which are in general described by the file formats. How do we define the object structure, an object's property, a value of a property? ISO 20022 uses XML and specifies how to convert a message model to XML. However, in a particular business domain, a message model could be expressed in a syntax different from XML. For example, JSON, Swift proprietary, or fix. The ISO 20022 standard is open for contributions. However, the new changes must comply with the standard's requirements and have to be approved by the ISO 20022 Registration Management Group. Keeping in mind only the logical layer is sufficient for a successful integration of ISO 20022, we advise that you research the relevant parts of all three layers. It might make your process of adoption a lot smoother and reduce the number of misunderstandings. This is all for today. Remember to subscribe to the Exactpro YouTube channel, and I hope to see you all in the next episode of ISO 20022 Explained. Thank you for watching.